Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be taking a look at some more trending DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone making a design out of some wooden sticks. Looks like they're gonna paint them gold. Add some little mini mirrors. Oh, very nice. So I've seen a similar DIY project like this being done before. I want to say it was in a circle, but this is really cool design. That's what's nice about DIY projects is you can really kind of take someone else's idea, run with it, make it your own, and turn it into something completely different. Absolutely love the way that this turned out. And then the next DIY is from mcgowan. Looks like he has some pool noodles here. Now all of his projects come out amazing to me, every single one that I've actually seen. He does a good job of like showing what he uses too. So he has some cardboard here, glue gun, and then he's taking those pool noodles that he just cut and then gluing them down. Spray painting them white. Oh, are those like the little like thumbtacks? Oh, wow. Okay. So I've seen a similar project with this one as well. Wow, I love his take on that one. Very cool. And then here's another one from him. Looks like he went thrifting this time. Oh, he's adding some rope around here, giving it more of that like bohemian feel. See, your mind has to be creative to come up with these ideas, because I would never look at a lamp that looks like this at the store and think, oh, I can put some rope around that. I just would never, my brain would never go there. He is so talented. And bam, a nice, easy lamp upgrade. Very cool idea. Definitely something different too. I don't think I've ever seen one that looks like that before. All right, so we have someone here, another upcycle. They got an old container here. And then they're using these little circles. Not quite sure what this is, but you could use like the little wooden pieces, or you could use cardboard even to cut out little circles. Looks like they made a nice sign too. Usually we see that done in white. I like it in black. That is really cool with the letters. And they made a planter. Very nice. I wonder if that was styrofoam that they used. Like I said, I'm not really sure, but very cool idea. And then we have a canvas piece here. Okay, we got a glue gun. Some parchment paper. Oh, and they're spray painting it gold. Now there's a lot of ways that you could actually play around with the glue gun and create like these masterpieces and spray paint them. Oh, I love this idea. Great way to DIY your own artwork piece. I love it. And obviously you can do any color you desire. I of course love the gold and the whites. I think this is really pretty. But wow, how beautiful would this look with black and gold? Oh, I am picturing that. That would look really cool. Oh, speaking of black and gold, it looks like this next one is gonna be of someone making some wall sconces. Okay, so we have some cardboard here. So this is the base of the wall sconce shape that they're creating, that they're showing us here. And you can do this with straws like they are doing, or you can take wooden sticks. Now with the wooden sticks, you would obviously get like a smaller design. So it's really up to you if you want to go a little bit bigger with the straws or if you want to do the wooden sticks. You're going to glue that onto the cardboard. Okay, you got to spray paint it first and then glue it onto the cardboard. And then you use a puck light for the lighting. So we didn't get like a full tutorial, but I'm just telling you guys how you would be able to achieve this. Really cool idea. I absolutely love it. And of course it's black and gold, so I'm gonna favor it. But yeah, cool project idea. Alright you guys, so thank you for checking out another video. If you enjoyed this one, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.